Hello everyone, this is Jason Merkel with Horizon Hobby, and I'm here today to talk about replacing the propeller on a HobbyZone AeroScout S trainer aircraft. In this case, one unique feature of this model is that it has a pusher configuration. And pusher configuration means that the motor and propeller are pushing the airplane, and therefore they're mounted actually behind the wing in this case, and not on the nose like a normal tractor airplane is. The benefit to that is when you crash, you're less likely and almost entirely unlikely to ever break the propeller or damage the motor or motor mount. That said, you never know, you might need to replace the propeller for some other reason. This particular airplane was in a crash. We had to repair the fuselage, we repaired the wing, we replaced the landing gear. So in this case, if you rotate the propeller clockwise, it will loosen, and counterclockwise will tighten it. So this is intended to be installed and removed without tools. So I'm going to put my hand on the motor here to hold it in place, and I'm going to push on the trailing edge of the propeller, again clockwise, and you can see I can actually spin the prop right off by finger. I can also hold the propeller and spin the motor the opposite direction here, and that will loosen it, and there it is. You can remove the prop that easy. Now we do sell replacement propellers separately, and when you have a newer propeller to install, you'll basically line it up with the shaft on the motor, and you will in this case go counterclockwise to tighten it back up. You can also hold the propeller, spin the motor the other way to tighten it up, and you just need to get it snug with your fingers. And that's it. What's really nice is the way the motor is spinning and creating lift, it's actually tightening itself onto, or it's creating thrust, it's actually tightening itself onto the motor. So it's a really great setup because you don't need any tools to replace the propeller. And again, the unique feature of this airplane is it is a pusher configuration, so hopefully you'll never have to replace the propeller.